Hi everyone, MTS 2025 results are finally released and I went through the entire document. There are certain numbers that I found are definitely disturbing in nature which I wanted to talk to you about. Cutoffs in this exam went as high as 142, 143 in paper 2. There are some students in GS who crossed even 74 marks out of 75, which is practically impossible. Let me show you the numbers that are there in the original document itself before I share further of my thoughts. See this. This is 142, which is Delhi Havaldar GST. Again, 143 OBC Jaipur Havaldar. It's okay, there are only 7 vacancies. This is still fine. But 77 vacancies, the score is 142. Even if it is a normalized score, 142 out of 150 is definitely much higher. It is not really practical to score such marks. And see the numbers. 141, you are where it is in Lucknow. 137, right? Again 135 at a scores of 143 and all. 135 is still fine, but still the cutoffs are exceptionally higher. And in GS, let me show you an interesting number. The number is 74.742. Remember this number. In GS marks, you see Chandigarh 74.742. Again, you will see this number 74.742 in Jaipur. Again, you will see this number Jaipur 74.742. Again, you will see Bhubaneswar 74.742, 74.742, 74.742, 74 point. So there are n number of places where 74.742, again 74.742. How is it even possible that this kind of normalized number can be a cutoff at multiple centers with different vacancies, different categories at different places? How exactly is this practically possible? Definitely there is some kind of mismanagement, some kind of wrong that is going on in SSC. Either their normalization formulas are wrong, or their conduct of examinations are wrong, or we can confidently say, or we can confidently question SSC that is there a remote access that is going on. Because for a student, scoring this kind of numbers is practically impossible. Even if I write SSC exams of MTS today, I cannot score 75 out of 75, and when some student comes and asks us, how should we prepare for this exam, or what should be the safe score? How can I tell them your safe score cannot be anything less than 75 out of 75? If SSC cannot conduct any exam where they can stop the cutoffs at least at 135 out of 150, they're useless for this purpose. Can't you even conduct one examination where the paper is at a decent standard? You can conduct the paper based on the number of applicants who are giving, and you can give a right kind of question paper. So the way SSC is conducting examinations is definitely questionable. So if you have missed MTS 2025 because of some fraction of marks, please do not feel disheartened. It's completely okay. You have entire 2026 cycle that is coming up. It is still in your hands. Please don't feel bad. There are multiple exams that are there. Give your best. And if you have cleared MTS 2025, congratulations, you have done very well. But please remember, MTS is just a starting launch pad for you. Prepare very well. Don't give up, or don't stop preparing. Don't stop studying at this point. Give CGL, give various other examinations, and get into good stages of your career. All the best. Thank you.